Saiful Anwar. On this occasion, I would like to express my opinion about smoking on campus, especially at BSI campus. BSI campus is a learning environment, a place where we seek knowledge, discuss, and develop ourselves. Therefore, the campus atmosphere should be comfortable and healthy for all students. However, when people smoke anywhere, it can disturb others. Not all students can tolerate cigarette smoke. Some have asthma, allergies, or simply feel uncomfortable with the smell. Additionally, cigarette butts discarded carelessly can make the campus environment look dirty and unkempt. After all, as students, we also have a responsibility to maintain the cleanliness of our own campus. I'm not saying that people should not smoke because that is a personal choice. However, I hope that my fellow smokers can use the designated smoking areas provided by the campus. That way, we can respect each other and maintain mutual comfort. Let's make BSI campus cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable for all students. Thank you. Okay everyone, now I'm going to explain the simple present tense. We will learn what it is, how to form the sentence, and when to use it in everyday communication. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to talk about action that happen regularly or repeatedly. We also use it to describe daily habits, general facts, scheduled events, and instruction. This tense is very common in daily conversation. Positive sentence structure. For I, you, we, and they, we use the best form of the verb. For he, she, and it, we add s to the verb. For example, I work every day and they study English use the best verb. But she plays the piano and he goes to school at s because the subject is singular third person. Next, negative sentence structure. To make negative sentence, we use do not for I, you, we, and they, and does not for he, she, and it. After do not or does not, the verb stays in the best form. For example, she does not drink coffee. Not she does not drink. Question sentence structure. To make question, we move do or does to the beginning of the sentence. Use do for I, you, we, and they, and does for he, she, and it. For example, do you play basketball? Or does she work here? Or does she work here? Usage, habits, and routines. We use the simple present to talk about habits or routines, things that we do regularly. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day and she takes the bus to campus. This action repeat over time. Usage, general truth. We also use the simple present to express fact or truth. For example, the earth orbits the sun and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. These statements are always true. Next, fixed schedules. This tense is also used to talk about scheduled events, especially related to time or transportation. For example, the train leaves at 8 p.m. or class starts at 9 a.m. The schedule is fixed and does not change. Next, usage, instruction, and direction. When giving instruction or direction, we use the simple present tense. For example, first mix the flour and sugar, or you turn right at the intersection. This is common in recipe and quiz. adding s and s. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add s to the verb. If the verb ends in ss, sh, gh, h, or o, we add es. If the verb ends with a consonant followed by w, we change w to es. For example, slay becomes plays, go becomes goes, study becomes studies. Next, verb to be in simple present. The verb to be is different because it does not use do or does. We use I am, you, we, they, are, and he, she, it, is. For example, I'm happy. They are student and she is a teacher. Next, personal pronouns plus verb pattern. For subject, I, you, we, and they, we use the base verb. For he, she, and it, we add s or is. For example, they work hard and she works hard. Positive sentence examples. These are examples of positive sentence in simple present. I read books every day. We live in Jakarta. She cooks dinner every night and he plays badminton every Sunday. Negative sentence examples. These examples show negative sentence. We use do not or does not. I do not watch horror movies. They do not like spicy food. She does not work on weekends and he does not play video games. Question examples. These are questions using do and does. Do you speak English? Do they join the club? Does he drive to campus? And does he drink tea? Remember, the verb stay in the best form. Time expression. Words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never are commonly used in the simple present to show frequency. For example, I often study at night. Frequency expression placement. This frequency words are usually placed before the verb. For example, she always wakes up early and they never eat fast food. This helps show how often the action happens. Next, short conversation example. This is a short conversation showing the simple present in daily use. A. Do you like music? B. Yes, I do. I listen to music every day. These are common mistakes learners make. For example, he go to school is wrong. It should be he goes to school. Always remember to add s or es for he, she, and it. Last, conclusion. In conclusion, the simple present is used to describe habits, facts, schedules, and instruction. Remember the key rules. Add she or is for he, she, and it. Use do or does for negative and question sentence. And use frequency word to show how often something happens. Thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.